Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Before trying natural methods, get a comprehensive eye exam from a licensed provider. This confirms whether vision loss is reversible or needs immediate care. Record baseline acuity, symptoms, and current medications before any changes. Identify common reversible causes such as dry eyes, uncorrected refractive error, cataract progression, or medication side effects. If you have sudden vision loss, seek emergency care rather than waiting. Use these initial findings to guide safe, evidence-informed steps for improvement or maintenance. Adopt daily habits that support eye health and may help preserve vision. Use the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds to reduce digital strain. Eat a nutrient-rich diet with 500 to 700 mg combined lutein and zeaxanthin weekly from greens and eggs. Stay hydrated, sleep 8 hours, and control blood pressure and blood sugar to protect retinal vessels. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol to support long-term eye tissue health and healing potential. Use targeted practices that complement medical advice when appropriate and safe. Do gentle eye exercises for 10 minutes daily to improve focus flexibility and reduce strain. Avoid forcing the eyes. Consider supplements such as 500 mg vitamin C and 400 IU vitamin E only after testing for deficiencies and with a clinician. Use protective eyewear outdoors and manage glare with sunglasses that block 100% UV. Schedule follow-up eye exams every 6 to 12 months to monitor progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.